When it comes to selecting a zipper for your project, the options and variations can seem overwhelming. So in this video, we're going to explain everything you need to know about zipper selection. We'll cover zipper sizes, chain materials and types, and slider lock and pull options to help you pick the right zipper for all your projects. Let's start with zipper sizes. So zipper sizes are based on numbers which correspond with the approximate width of the closed zipper teeth in millimeters. So a number 5 zipper measures about 5 millimeters across, and a number 10 zipper measures about 10 millimeters across, and so on. The higher the number, the larger the individual teeth will be, and vice versa. Sailrite stocks zippers in these sizes. Size 4.5. These are best for small home decor projects such as cushions, pillows, and purses. Size 5. These zippers are used for medium-sized projects such as cushions and upholstery, duffel and tote bags, backpacks, and jackets. Size 10. This size is ideal for large projects such as sail packs, boat covers, marine enclosures, and tents. Size 12. This is another option for large projects. More examples include marine canvas pieces, outdoor gear, and portable shelters. And size 15. This zipper size is perfect for very large projects such as oversized sail packs and covers, large tents, and portable buildings and greenhouses. Next, let's talk about the different materials that zipper chains can be made of. There are 3 main types: molded tooth, coil, and metal. First, we're going to talk about molded tooth. Our molded tooth zippers are made from Delrin acetyl resin, a special type of plastic made by DuPont. The teeth are molded onto the zipper tape. That's where the name molded tooth comes from. This construction makes them strong and practically weatherproof. Molded tooth zippers are the best option for marine projects because they're UV and corrosion resistant. We stock molded tooth zippers in sizes 5, 10, 12, and 15. Coil zippers feature nylon teeth that, as the name suggests, look coiled. The teeth are sewn onto the side tape with polyester thread. Coil zippers are stronger and more flexible than molded tooth zippers, so they're great for indoor and outdoor projects with curves. Just note that the polyester thread breaks down in sun, so coil zippers should be kept covered to protect them from the UV exposure outdoors. We stock coil zippers in sizes 4.5, 5, and 10. Metal zippers have polished metal teeth that secure together on the zipper tape. Metal teeth are strong, but they can corrode over time. So we recommend using metal zippers for indoor-only projects or for items that won't be outside much. They are ideal for bags, purses, backpacks, interior cushions and upholstery, and more. Let's move on to chain styles. There are 2, continuous and finished. Finished zippers come with pre-installed stops, sliders, and sometimes a starter box and starting pin. You don't have to add any parts to a zipper like this. Within the category of finished zippers, there are 2 kinds: separating and non-separating zippers. Separating zippers are sometimes called jacket zippers because they are commonly used on coats and jackets. They feature a starter box and starting post at one end and stops at the other end. They are used for projects where the sides of the zipper should separate completely, such as a coat, a Genoa sleeve, or the side panels of a cockpit enclosure. On the other hand, the 2 halves of a non-separating zipper don't come apart completely. They have pre-installed sliders and stops, but no starter box or pin. Sailrite carries 2 varieties of non-separating zippers: bridge top and bag style. Both tops have permanent stops at both ends, but bridge top zippers have 1 slider while bag style zippers have 2. Non-separating zippers are good for bags, jacket pockets, and other projects where the zipper shouldn't come apart completely. All finished zipper styles come in preset lengths, but you can cut them shorter if needed. Just make sure that you add stops to the cut end or sew it into your project so that you won't lose your slider. Now, continuous zippers are a little bit different. They don't have a beginning or end, and they don't come pre-installed with a starter box or stops. You can order a continuous chain in preset lengths and cut it to the length you need for your project. These zippers do not come with sliders, so you'll have to purchase one separately and add it to the chain. Be sure to get a slider that is compatible with your chain in both size and type. For example, a number 5 molded tooth zipper will need a number 5 slider for a molded tooth chain. Continuous zippers are usually sewn into a project, like a bag, tent, or cushion, at one end or both ends. If you don't sew the ends of your continuous zipper shut, you can add stops to the chain to keep your slider from falling off. We carry a selection of top and bottom stops for you to choose from. Now that we've covered zipper chains, let's move on to zipper sliders. Sliders are the piece that zips and unzips the chain. Locking sliders contain a small lock mechanism that keeps the slider in place unless you engage the pull tab. This prevents the slider from moving on its own, even if the zipper tape is forced apart or the center of the slider is pushed. Locking sliders are great for pants, jackets, or any other application where you need the slider to stay put until you move it. Non-locking sliders allow for the zipper to separate by pushing or pulling on any part of the slider, or even by pulling the zipper teeth apart. This is useful for applications where you need to quickly separate the zipper, like a Genoa sleeve or spinnaker sock. We stock locking sliders for coil and molded tooth zippers, and non-locking sliders for coil, molded tooth, and metal zippers. You can get metal or plastic zipper sliders, which both have their pros. Metal sliders are stronger, but plastic sliders resist corrosion. There's one more decision that you need to make when choosing a zipper slider, whether you want a single or double pull. The pull is the tab that you use to move the slider. Sliders can have either 1 or 2 pulls. Single pull sliders have a pull on just one side. The zipper can only be opened or closed from that side. Think of jackets, cushions, and purses, or other similar items. You'll only open and close these zippers from the outside, so there's no need to have 2 pulls on the slider. On the other hand, double pull sliders have 2 pulls. This allows the zipper to open from either side. Double pull tabs are great on projects such as tents and enclosures because you'll need to use the zipper from both the inside and outside. We stock single pull sliders for all 3 chain types and double pull sliders for coil and molded tooth chains. We hope that this video has answered all your questions that you need to choose the right zipper for your project. Sailrite is your go-to resources for all things zippers. We stock a diverse inventory of finished zipper chains, continuous zipper chains, pulls, sliders, and top and bottom stops. Are you ready to start shopping for your zippers? We've made it easy for you by linking our large selection in the description below. And if you have any other zipper-related questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so that you can be up to date on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.